So to complete the worksheet, you need to go to liveworksheets.com. I've put your login details on the platform just in case you've forgotten them. And then you need to choose the grammar workbook, okay? And you click on the grammar workbook. Once you've clicked on the grammar worksheets, you'll see the different worksheets. You choose comparing sports, okay? And this is the one that we're going to do together, okay? It says, write the sentences in the comparative form. And I think that this is something that you can do, okay? Because it's not too difficult. It gives you an example. Football is popular than hockey. What do we need to say? Do we say football is more popular than hockey? Or do you say football is popularer than hockey? The correct answer is football is more popular than hockey. Okay, here's question 1. Skiing is than snowboarding with easy. Skiing is easy than snowboarding. What do you write in here with the word easy? Okay, you can write this in yourself. Number 2, boxing is dangerous than swimming. How do we write that correctly? Boxing is dangerous than swimming. Do we write dangerouser or more dangerous? You write the correct one. Number 3, gymnastics is than motorbike racing with the word cheap. Okay. Horse riding is than golf with the word good, better or best. Okay. Swimming is boring than basketball. Okay. Do we say more boring, boringer than basketball? And then we're going to look at superlatives. Superlatives is when you have a group of sports, okay, rather than just 2 sports. You have a group of sports and you have to decide which one is the best or the most expensive or the most difficult, okay? So it's when one stands out from all the rest. Here you have to make sentences. If you want, you can either write your sentences on the worksheet or you can record them and send them to me by WhatsApp. This is an example. Football, horse racing and cycling. And the word you need to use is popular. So, which one do you think is the most popular? I guess football. So, football is the most popular sport. Okay? Here's number 1. Skiing, motorbike racing and golf. Expensive to do. Which one is the most expensive? And make a sentence about it. Okay? Number 2, boxing, climbing and surfing. Dangerous. Which one do you think is most dangerous? And make a sentence about it. Number 3, gymnastics, horse racing, tennis. Which one do you think is most boring to watch? Okay? Gymnastics, horse racing or tennis. Make a nice sentence. Number 4, my best friend, another student in the class, is good at sport. If someone is really good at sport, what do we say? We say they are the at sport in the class. Would you put my best friend, or another student is the at sport in the class to say they're excellent? Number 5, rugby, swimming, athletics. Which one is the easiest to do? Which one of these is the easiest to do? And make a sentence about it. Okay? Enjoy your worksheet and I look forward to seeing your answers. Bye bye.